The ride started out fine at Maramarua Forest, but when the rain set in, the clay tracks turned slippery fast. Then my son got caught in a bush and that back wheel packed itself solid. My son was wearing a GoPro today and we're using it now mounted on the chin. We haven't quite got the angle sorted out there, but got better images I think, seen in front of the bike and the track. It's me just waiting for my son. He's now caught up, so off we go again.
Long too. Oh yeah. Do you want me to go first? Okay. Oh, you go first because then I'll get you falling over and me passing you. No. Oh, is it on? Is it... That's the one, brother. Oh, it installed.
The rain had set in. My son was coming to terms with this very slippery, muddy track. I think this is probably his first experience on this stuff.
Who put that there?
another horrible hill climb. Very, very muddy.
Alright, I'll give it a go.
You and your ideas. Yeah, this is North Fair.
I'll either see you at the top or see you back down. Almost. Ish.
So the answer is, let's just push it up.
Time to crash. Fuck.
I had my bike on a stand and the bike bent over and revving the back tyre in an effort to try to clear my back tyre full of the mud so I can make this hill climb.
There he goes.
Even though the weather turned to custard, my son and I had a great time together, away from the rat race. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Too easy, really. Don't know what we're worried about.
Let's let it first, yeah. Let's let it free fall.
Yeah.
Just can't touch the brakes.
Yeah.
My son said it all. We came down this hill, turned around this corner, and we had another hill to climb. Neither of us wanted to do it, or had the energy or the strength. So I was off finding an exit, and we're going to call it a day.
Oh, it's another. Fuck. No way.
Let's go here.
Is that the exit?
Go find them.
Too much. There's the exit. Yeah, definitely, but oh well. We did the first hill.
If you're into trail rides, family rides, and learning the hard way, do subscribe. That's pretty much what this channel's about. As always, I appreciate your video comments as well. Ride well, ride safe.